Welcome everyone to the town hall meeting. Oh,
What's wrong?
oh, it's just a little cold. Nothing to worry about.